Reciprocating saws are the unsung heroes of demolition and construction, cutting through wood, metal, and even masonry with ease. But how much do you really know about this powerhouse tool? That will change the way you see this versatile beast. Welcome back to Objectified, the channel where everyday objects get their moment in the spotlight. Today, we are diving deep into the world of reciprocating saws, a tool that is a must-have for contractors, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who loves tackling tough projects. From its rugged origins to its surprising versatility, this video will reveal why the reciprocating saw deserves more respect than it gets. Let us get started with its fascinating story. The reciprocating saw, often called a recip saw, or by the brand name Sawzall, was born out of necessity in the construction world. In the early 20th century, workers needed a tool that could cut through materials quickly without requiring a lot of setup. Enter Milwaukee Electric Tool Company, which introduced the first reciprocating saw, the Sawzall, in 1951. This game-changer was designed to mimic the back-and-forth motion of a handsaw, but with the power of electricity, was portable, powerful, and could tackle jobs that other saws could not. The Sawzall became an instant hit on job sites, earning its place as a contractor's best friend. Unlike circular saws, which spin a blade in a continuous motion, the reciprocating saw's blade moves in a push and pull action, making it ideal for tight spaces and irregular cuts. Its invention marked a turning point for demolition work, allowing workers to tear down structures faster than ever before. Since its debut, the reciprocating saw has come a long way. Early models were corded, heavy, and limited to basic cutting tasks. But today, cordless models powered by lithium-ion batteries offer unmatched portability. Brands like DeWalt, Makita, and Bosch have pushed the envelope with features like variable speed triggers, LED, lights for better visibility, and even orbital cutting modes that make the blade move in a slight oval pattern for faster cuts through wood. Blades have evolved too. Back in the day, you had a handful of blade options. Now, there are specialized blades for every material: wood, metal, PVC, drywall, and even concrete. Some blades are coated with carbide for extra durability, while others have unique tooth designs for cleaner cuts. Fun fact, the teeth pinch, or TPI rating on a blade determines its cutting speed and smoothness. Lower TPI, like 3 to 11, is great for rough cuts in wood, while higher TPI, like 12 to 24, is perfect for metal. The rise of smart technology has not left recip saws behind. Some modern models come with Bluetooth connectivity, letting you track usage or even locate a misplaced tool via an app. Who would have thought a saw could be so high-tech? Reciprocating saws are not just tools. They are symbols of hard work and ingenuity. They have become staples in construction, demolition, and even rescue operations. Firefighters and emergency responders often rely on recip saws to cut through debris during rescue missions, thanks to their ability to slice through mixed materials like wood, metal, and glass. The tool has also found a home in the DIY community. From YouTube tutorials to Reddit threads, hobbyists share tips on using recip saws for everything from pruning trees to building furniture. Its versatility has made it a go-to for creative projects, like turning old pallets into rustic decor or carving out custom shapes for home renovations. In pop culture, the reciprocating saw has a bit of a gritty reputation. It often shows up in horror movies or crime dramas as a menacing tool, but in real life, it is far more heroic. Think of it as the action hero of the toolbox stuff, reliable and ready for any challenge. Ready for some jaw-dropping facts. First, did you know reciprocating saws can cut through tree roots? Landscapers often use them to tackle underground roots that are too tough for traditional pruning tools. Just swap in a woodcutting blade and you are good to go. Second, recip saws are not just for straight cuts. With the right technique, you can make curved or plunge cuts, like carving out a section of drywall for electrical work. This makes them a favorite for plumbers and electricians working in tight spaces. Third, the term Sawzall is so iconic that many people use it to refer to any reciprocating saw, even if it is not a Milwaukee brand. It is like calling all tissues Kleenex. That is how much influence the original Sawzall had. Fourth, reciprocating saws are surprisingly safe when used correctly. Features like anti-vibration technology and ergonomic grips reduce fatigue, while blade guards and quick-stop mechanisms help prevent accidents. Of course, always wear safety gear like goggles and gloves. Those blades are no joke. Finally, Recip saws have been used in some wild projects. From sculpting ice for art installations to cutting up old cars for scrap, there is almost nothing these tools cannot handle. Their raw power and adaptability make them a favorite for outside-the-box thinkers. The reciprocating saw is more than just a tool. It is a testament to human ingenuity and the drive to make tough jobs easier. From its humble beginnings in the 1950s to its high-tech iterations today, this powerhouse has earned its place in toolboxes worldwide. Whether you are a pro contractor, a weekend warrior, or just someone who loves learning about cool tools, the Recip saw has something to offer. Its versatility, durability, and sheer cutting power make it a true icon of the construction world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into reciprocating saws, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on the tools and objects that shape our lives. Got a favorite Recip, saw project, or tip? Drop it in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Objectified, where we celebrate the stories behind the stuff we use every day. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and stay curious. See you in the next video.